Hey, what's going on everyone? This is HAIZ finally back with a new video on the channel. The last video I uploaded was literally 2 months ago. So where have I been all this time? The answer is in front of you. This is the Google AdSense address verification pin that I received just a few hours ago. So what it basically contains is a 6-digit code that I need to enter in their website to verify my address. All this time my payments were on hold, my monetization was stopped, as a result of which I have earned nothing from the last 2 months. So I had been desperately waiting for this and it has finally arrived. For me, it was completely useless to upload new videos on the channel as I would have not earned anything. And as a content creator, that is something really annoying. So let's open it up real quick so that I can verify my address as soon as possible. So let's start by tearing these edges. So this is the thing. Sorry for the bad lighting, it's almost sunset here. On the top we get the branding of Google AdSense, your Google AdSense personal identification number, that is PIN. Welcome to Google AdSense. To enable payments for your account, please follow these steps. Step 1. Sign in to your Google AdSense account with the email address and password you used during the application process. Step 2 is click on the gear icon and select payments. Step 3, in the left navigation bar, click account information and click verify address. Step 4, enter your PIN as it appears on the right and click submit PIN. So this is the 6-digit PIN 193066. So I just wanted to share it with all of you, and of course every single YouTuber out there who has still not received their PIN. I would just say be patient and you will definitely receive it in a few days or a few weeks. To be honest, I personally thought I would never actually receive it. It is because more than 1.5 months had passed and I never received it, but today I have finally got it. And I also want to thank every single one of you who has subscribed to the channel. We are about to reach 4,000 subscribers on the channel. It definitely is a huge milestone for me. And now that my address has been verified, I can make more videos on the channel now. If you have any questions regarding this video or if you have suggestions for future videos, let me know in the comment section below. Subscribe to the channel if you haven't already done that and hit the bell icon so that you can get notified for more videos in the future. Leave a like on this video. I promise to be back with more videos. Thanks for watching this. Bye bye.